What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shy Money in the building, and guys, we are back for another prank video. Okay, yeah, I just got my hair pressed out or whatever. Is Ken or not? Okay, anyways, let's get to the matter at hand. So guys, as y'all know, today is Valentine's Day, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna be doing prank videos or whatever, so I might as well get mine in, right? So what I'm going to do is, Javon is in the kitchen right now. He's washing clothes and stuff. As y'all can see, baby's in the middle of washing clothes. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do a Valentine prank video on him. As y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my ex sent me a gift for Valentine's Day. So guys, I already bought the card and everything. I'm just doing something simple, but I'm gonna try to get a big reaction out of him. So what I did was, I went to the dollar store and I bought like a Valentine's card, and he picked me up from my house, but I had already went and got the card or whatever. And this is the card right here. It says "just for you" or whatever, and on the inside I'm just gonna write like a little love note or whatever, and like pretend it's from my ex. So it already has something written in there, but I'm just gonna write a little extra just to make it more dramatic or whatever. So I'm probably gonna put like, "I love you so much, I want you back, I want to marry you, I want to have your kid, I want to have kids with you, yada yada yada." I'm just gonna go extreme. I'm gonna even put something about Javon in there. Leave that lame ass, you know. I'm gonna say all of that. I'm put all that in there, and hopefully I get a good reaction out of him. So yeah guys, I'm going to set up this camera, and y'all gonna see me write something in the letter or whatever, and then I'm also gonna put money in it, so it seems like he sent me money for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna put money, I'm gonna put like $100 or something in there. I'm gonna put money in there and make it seem like he sent me money for Valentine's Day to give me something special. So yeah guys, y'all ready for this prank? Let's get it started. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to this channel. In the comment section, team Shy Money, in the comment section right now guys, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we do a prank video. And yeah guys, let's get this prank started. I love you. All right, BB gang, I'm going to start this prank. I already set up the camera where I want it. I put it behind my tree. If y'all remember where my tree is at, I put it behind my tree on my side of the bed, and I put like some stuff in front of it, but I need to put some more stuff. He not going nowhere. Hit him, baby. All right, hand. Okay guys, so I'm gonna write something simple. What should I write? I'm not gonna let y'all know what I'm gonna write, because I'm gonna read it to y'all when the prank actually starts. What should I write? I'm gonna say, I don't know what to put. Okay guys, my ex was Hispanic. I don't know if I should put that, but that's the only thing that comes to mind. Okay guys, I wrote my message. So now I'm about to seal it up. I need, where's my purse? Okay, so I have cash, and I'm gonna put in the card. Oh, I should put like a, okay, I'm putting here, "buy you something nice on me." And I'm just gonna put this money in here. And then I'm gonna put it in this envelope, right? I got the wrong size envelope. Oh, okay. No, it's the wrong size. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, I'm going to, I grabbed some of Babe's mail, and I'm just gonna disguise this envelope in the mail. So I'm gonna make it seem like I checked my mail before he came and got me. And I'm just not reading it like right when I got here. So this is gonna be like this is gonna be as it's like all my mail, but it's actually his mail, but he don't know that. So I'm gonna disguise it right now. Booyah. Okay, So I'm about to get this prank started right now. So I'm about to call him and I'm about to just see what he doing. So yeah, guys, prank time. Babe. Babe, what you doing? Babe, what are you doing? What you doing?
You said get you some drinks.
Hmm?
You said get you a drink.
Oh. Oh, you don't come to teeth?
Yeah.
You do?
I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Huh?
I'm gonna brush my teeth real quick.
Why you gonna brush your teeth? You didn't brush it this morning?
No.
Hmm?
Why you turning the TV off?
What?
Why you turning the TV off for? I'm watching it.
Because you was in the room doing clothes and stuff.
They're gonna rest if you don't go right now.
Hmm?
They're gonna rest if you don't go right now.
Oh, well. You're just gonna have to miss it. Ooh, babe, what's this?
What?
Ooh. You got me something for Valentine's Day?
Hmm?
You got me something for Valentine's Day? Mmm. Huh? What? Is this from your lover?
What? Oh. Oh.
You the only one. You my lover. Lover boy. Just for you.
Shit. Shit.
Aw, babe.
Maybe I did say something.
Babe, you know I love cards.
Shit, maybe I did say something.
Babe, go.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to see what you saying. He said I saying something. I remember saying something.
Oh.
I put $100 on
You gave me money?
that?
Put this in there.
I probably did say it. I don't remember when I said it though.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
I wonder if you realize how many times a day I stop and think about you in a very special way. Oh, babe, this is so cute. I wonder if you realize the love and warm thoughts, too, I put inside this Valentine because it's meant for you. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, and you actually wrote something this time. I love you so much. You bring nothing but joy to my life, and I want you back. Back?
Huh?
What you want me back for?
No, I ain't saying that shit, bro.
I want to marry you and have babies with you. Babe, I'm reading the thing.
Oh, my bad. I didn't send you that, man.
And have babies with you. He can't love you the way I love you. Hey, Seuss. What?
What is that?
What you looking at me for?
What is that?
Nothing. It said nothing.
Why you got your mail over here, though? That's how you want. Why you got granny mail and stuff over here?
Because I was checking it.
Why you ain't just dropping it home?
Because I was checking it.
Wait.
What?
I don't remember sending you a mail. First of all, why would I send you a mail if you right here? I didn't send you $100. Yeah, I didn't send you this because I don't rather this. Jesus?
We're not going to worry about who sent it.
Who is Jesus?
We're not going to worry about it.
Who is Jesus or Jesus, or whatever?
Nothing.
What you mean nothing?
It's nothing.
Who is Jesus?
Huh?
Who is Jesus?
Jesus, the man upstairs.
Ha ha ha, really funny. No, for sure, I ain't send this shit though. Who sent it? I ain't send it.
You didn't send it.
No, I ain't send it.
But it was my ex. Jesus is my ex. I didn't know he still was like into me or whatever. Babe, we broke up a long time ago. Why you coming at me like that? Babe, this was a long time ago. I don't even know how he like.
I just think I sent you $100 bill, bro. Is that shit even real?
Huh?
Is that bill even real?
It better be real.
You gonna break that bitch up?
No, you're not. It's money, whether it is whoever it's from. It's real.
Why you get your address though?
I don't know, babe.
What you mean you don't know?
Maybe he remember where I live. I've been living there for like 10 years. 8 years.
You sure this ain't from Jesus? Like the actual Jesus up there?
Well, if it is, praise the Lord. What?
You think it's for a joke, bro?
No, I'm not. Babe, I don't even know how
all
he
days
sent
he chooses to send you something.
I don't know why he sent it today. I don't even know
why
why
he could just.
Well, let me see what he said.
No, why he trying to prove a point or something?
I don't know.
Nigga ain't do my job right or something. Like the fuck.
I don't know, babe. I did not tell him to send this.
What you want to see this for? You already
Because
seen
I
it.
just want to see. He wrote something else. Let me read it.
You just read it? What you mean? Let you read it.
Let me read what else
You
he
just
put.
fuck not read it. What do you mean that you read
Babe,
it?
I did not read all of it.
That's foolish you today.
What?
Why you want to read it? Why you want to read it?
Because he wrote something in there. Obviously, he wanted me to read it.
You just read it.
Okay,
So
well, let me read the rest.
Read the rest of what?
The message.
You read the whole eight?
No, I didn't. I didn't read these.
Where want to read it? You got a bitch ass nigga saying some shit,
babe.
On a Valentine's Day?
He said, leave him and be with me. He's a loser that don't deserve.
Fuck out of here that shit, bro.
That don't deserve.
Fuck out of here that shit, bro.
Don't deserve.
I'm telling you that bullshit.
Babe, what you knocking stuff out of my hand for?
Bro. Who said, where this nigga at, bro?
I don't know. We don't even talk anymore.
Why you smiling? Like you know something.
Because it's funny how you reacted to someone I don't even talk to anymore. I'll keep the money, but I mean,
You keeping shit. This nigga could have got that damn China, that damn China disease. This nigga named Jesus.
babe,
Jesus could be anybody. This isn't Jesus.
it's Jesus.
Jesus. They said Jesus. What do you mean?
But
Ain't
in
stupid.
Spanish, it's
Man,
pronounced
I don't
Jesus.
freak. His name is Jesus. Ain't no Jesus shit. Jesus.
That's how it's
This nigga
pronounced.
saying 100 years finna keep this shit, bro.
Yes,
You finna
I
go
am.
bury
Babe,
it.
money is
You don't
money.
finna go bury it or trash it.
Babe, money is money. I'm keeping it.
How you know the man put somebody? Oh, how you know put somebody make it get spelled the other day? Eh?
What?
Huh? Huh? What? Huh?
Babe, it's just a card.
I ain't gonna touch that shit, bro. Man, he could have put that damn China disease on that.
Babe, he did not do that. Why would he do that?
I don't know. And they find you. So you actually knew.
What?
Cause you never bring your mail over here, bro. So did you actually open that shit before?
Babe, because I was just
Like, was you trying to get a
because-
reaction on me?
No, because I was waiting for something in the mail.
So I could drop this shit on my home.
Because I was waiting for something that I needed to read now, but
So,
it's not in
what,
here.
like, so you just got everything?
Yes. Yes.
Bro, trust that shit with me.
I'm not.
Bro, hold on.
Hold on, what? Babe, what are you doing?
Give me that shit.
Why?
Give me that shit.
Babe, what is you doing? Why are you doing?
No, nigga, I'm burning his dog too.
No!
Hey, man, it's got your
Ow!
No, you don't have to have no nigga
Babe, this is money. Why are you
Yeah,
burning
you have that nigga saying
stuff?
shit, bro. Hey, no, we burning
Ow,
shit,
you
bro.
made me hurt my finger.
Ah, yo, hold this shit right here, bro. I'm finna burn this shit, bro.
Why? I'm not gonna hold this.
Yo, hold it right
Babe,
now, thank you.
stop.
Yo, thank you.
Stop.
Yo, give me this shit, bro.
Babe, stop with that shit.
Why you laughing like that shit funny? Like,
Because you funny.
you got batty man outside saying you bum buck like if I'm not shit funny?
What?
Man, I give yo, brother, yo, go, bro. You gotta go.
Go where?
Go find it. No, you know what the fuck? Where the nigga at, bro?
I don't know.
You taking this shit for a joke, bro. 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 Like, let go my hand, bro. You taking this shit for a joke, bro. Bro, get out me, bro. You taking this shit for a joke, bro. Why you laughing,
Babe,
Why you laughing
stop.
for, bro?
Stop, because it's just a card. You act like I asked this man to send me
What
the
do you mean?
tip.
Just a car, bro. You got
This man to send me the tip.
just a car, bro. You got that nigga saying $100 bill too?
Babe, I did not tell him to send that to me. Jeez, it's Valentine's Day. Everybody feeling the love. Okay. It's a prank.
You used to feeling love, man. Ain't that love over here, man?
Man, it's a prank. It's a prank, you dodo bird.
I love over here, man.
Man, it's a prank.
Don't play that shit, bro. What the fuck is a prank, nigga? What the fuck that shit for?
Y'all, he is bananas. Let me go see. Baby. Hi, babe. Hi, husband. Babe, it's a prank.
I don't care, bro.
It's a prank. Don't.
I don't care, bro.
Boy.
I don't care, bro.
Babe, it's a prank.
Bro, take your shit out.
It's a prank. Ah!
Take your shit out.
Don't be throwing that at me. What? Babe, it's a prank. I literally wrote that letter myself.
Take that curse ass shit out of here.
Babe, I wrote it myself.
That ain't your handwriting, bro.
That is my handwriting. How you gonna tell me how I write? Okay, guys, I got him really good, y'all. He real mad, y'all. He real mad. But I'm gonna keep the money because this was the perfect day. Babe, how you feel? Huh? Baby. Alright, y'all, I'm finna end this video right here. I got him really good, y'all. I got him real good. Y'all see him pick up a dang on chair. Jesus.
That shit lame, bro. That shit lame.
What?
So you really took the time out to go.
Yes.
That shit, a whole $100, bro.
A whole $100. I had to make it legit. Cause I don't deal with no busters.
This nigga named Jesus.
It's Jesus, but I don't know no Jesus.
Oh, so you don't know Jesus?
Mm-mm.
Oh, so that name was a fake too?
Yes. Well, it's somebody's name, but I don't know that person. Ow! Boy, you gonna give me a paper cut, stupid.
Nigga, you almost cut me with your hand, bro.
That was just my fingernail, babe. You almost broke my nail.
Take your man over, bro. You got dirty man over here, bro.
It'll be alright. Alright, guys, I'm going to this video right here. Subscribe to the channel. Team Shy Money in the comment section below. Don't play with me, bruh. I got more on the way. This ain't it. Alright, guys, like I said, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I already said that. That's okay. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a video, and I'm out of here. Peace.